FTAI stock analysis Wednesday and onward. If you're curious whether I'm buying or not, watch this FTAI stock analysis video till the end. We just melted, man, like 25% down in a snap of a finger. We had our demand area, and I was so open to this long where, I mean, ultimately pre-market you would have already known, you know, so this is why I did not really want to change anything. On my official chart, you know, everything's changed, but here, I was like, for the sake of the video, idea was wrong, but like no trades got taken purely because the rules were never met, you know. So I'm gonna get rid of this now in the video. And I mean, sometimes that is gonna happen, man. Like after a beautiful increase in price like this for like 2 years, 2020 to 2024, we are gonna have this big of a retracement. So if you ask me, like, are you gonna short sell this? Not necessarily, although like it is favored right now, you know. I'll actually see. I'm not just gonna say no forever, you know. Like maybe if I see like a proper double break shift here in the lower time frame and my rules are met, this might be it. But like, I'm waiting for the rules. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, there is a free newsletter below. First link in the description.